For this truck, guys, we're like online looking for like projects to do on the truck, and we saw this one, and it was $500, and we thought it was just like wasn't functional at all. So we took it, and we were like looking at it. The transmission works fine. The 4x4 works fine. The only thing that's busted is just the motor. And a few days they're gonna take it and
get overhauled.
Yeah.
So that day that you guys turned on the truck, the motor doesn't really sound too bad, and I think that with an overhaul, I think it's gonna be fine. We moved it forward, back. We engaged the 4x4. Everything works on it. So basically, you guys got yourself a 7.3 engine for $500. So that was pretty good.
All right, guys. So like we said, we're gonna start with just picking up all this trash right here. You know, this whole mess they left for us. So let's get started. No time lapse.
Right now, they're gonna take the truck to get the engine overhaul. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put it in the front, and so they can take it already, and we'll film the little process of taking it. Just stay tuned and wait until they come here. All right, guys. So they said that it's gonna take about a week or 2 weeks, and I hopefully when it comes back, it's gonna be a working F250. So let's just keep our hopes up.
All right, guys. So what we got back was the legendary 7.3 here, and we drove it back all the way from Mission, and it drove really good. You know, engine overhaul drove really good. It was just the suspension that was just a little bit off, but we're gonna get new shocks, new suspensions, rims and tires. So after all that, pretty sure it's gonna drive pretty smooth. Alright guys, for today we're pretty much done. What we did today, we just took off the side mirrors and the panels from inside, as you can see, on all doors. The other thing we did is we sanded the vehicle all the way around. We also fixed the dents, those small little dents that it had. And that's pretty much it for today. We thought it was going to take longer, but it was pretty much easy. It wasn't that hard. We pretty much finished sanding the entire vehicle in one day, so it was pretty easy.
Also, I mean, the paint, we didn't have enough, like a lot of trouble with the paint. It just came right off, like easily. So it was pretty much easy. It's an easy job.
All right, guys, here we go. Cesar, what's going on, brother? Spoke to your dad a while ago.
Yeah, Fernando, actually just got off the phone with him and we really like what you guys are doing to the truck. And I'm gonna be honest with you, the truck's coming out real nice, but you do need some wheels and tires. And we're gonna hook y'all up today with some 20-inch fuel wheels and some 37-inch MTs.
Brother, thanks a lot, man. I was talking to your dad, and you know what he says is totally right. The truck is coming out real nice, but you know those old outdated rims, it might have looked real nice back in '96, but right now, you know, they're just not cutting it. So, hey, we really appreciate you all, man.
Yeah, come follow me on back.
All right, guys, today's video is sponsored by Lopez Wheels and Tires. They're located at 201 North 10th Street, McAllen, Texas. Cesar, brother, the truck looks amazing, man. I can't wait to just even start driving it right now.
Yeah, Fernando, it came out real good. I can't wait to see y'all again.
All right, brother. Hey, thanks a lot. Say hi to your dad. Say hi to everybody. And, you know, if you guys need anything, let me know.
Yeah, we'll do.
Okay? Thanks a lot, brother.
Thank you, stay safe.
Guys, today's video is sponsored by Crew Diesel. Make sure you check them out and let's get going. Okay, guys, so it says right here that the filters could be as far apart as you need them, as long as you put the fuel pump in the middle. So what I'm gonna do is for this one, the 3367, I'm gonna use that one. And as you can see, we went ahead and put the legendary 7.3 back together. And honestly, there's just one more thing that we need to do, guys. Let's turn it on. Here we go. Guys, the truck feels amazing, guys. I should have just done this a long time ago. I don't know what I was doing, messing around with that mechanical fuel pump. Right now, when we get back to the house, I'm going to show you all how the mechanical pump that I took off. It's literally brand new. It hasn't been in the truck for longer than a year, and I'm already having problems with it. And I should have just done this a long time ago, guys. It's just an amazing difference. Just done this a long time ago. I know that some of you might be, you know, right on the edge. Should I do the e-fuel kit? Should I not? Should I do the fuel bolt delete? Guys, I know, guys. You're only cheating yourselves if you don't do this. I mean, I've been messing with that thing for months now, and I did the fuel bolt delete. It didn't take me more than 2 weeks to say, you know what, I want to go to the next step. And right now that I did the e-fuel kit, guys. And just in the first drive, I know how much better it's going to be already. I mean, it's awesome, guys. I know it might be a little bit pricey, but guys, Mr. Ken has it down packed. He made it super easy for you all. Follow the video, guys. You guys can do it. I mean, I'm not a mechanic, and I managed to figure out myself. Anyhow, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much. Please get in contact with Mr. Ken. Don't cheat yourselves. Do the right thing. You love your truck. Make this happen, guys. Thanks.